Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for Monroe County in eastern Pennsylvania. Monroe County in eastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 5 miles north of Jimthorpe, or 10 miles southeast of Albrightsville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Likely and complete destruction possible. Numerous trees will be snapped. Major power outages in path of tornado highly likely. Some roads possibly blocked by tornado debris. Complete destruction of vehicles likely. Locations impacted include Kensington Junction, Lehigh Gorge State Park, Pagono Redwater Rafting, Albrightsville, Pagono Raceway, Long Pond, Pagono Summit, Macasset, Swiftwater, Pagono Men Resort, Paradise Prize Reserve, and Mount Talon Hunting Club. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornadoes on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Get in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Take cover now.
The tornado potential there. Here we go. We just got the new tornado warning from Monroe because of that. That you were just talking about, Vanessa. That storm, that area of rotation, that is the storm of interest. We now have a new tornado warning. It's going to pop up on our screen right here. There you go. It's scrolling crawling at the bottom of your television screen. This thing, oh my goodness, this thing looks like it's really starting to ramp up.
Oh yeah, I just went ahead and I put in the velocity. So it looks like it's really going.
So let's just say this: if you live anywhere along Nash Road, Hatley, Detroit Road, Thornton Lane Road, Nash Road, these areas here in Monroe County, this thing is spinning up now. That signature.
That guy over there is a rude
had this tight of a
I would not want to be biking down the street.
Look at this. This is gate to gate. We've got very strong signatures on radar. We are sampling this at a very low level. This is being sampled at 275 feet above the surface. Very strong rotation here. Let's treat this like it is a imminent tornado situation warning right now. This is just east of Hatley along Old Highway 6, Nash Road, and Thornton Lane. These locations right here, if you are south of the Bristow community, south of Parham, please be in your tornado safe zone right now. This thing is spinning up quickly, and we have a imminent tornado situation. We finally have it. This yellow showing up with the wind shear rate is extreme.
Here we go.
Fast moving wind going in different directions, perhaps spinning up a possible tornado, and we just have to assume that this thing.
And then I'm sorry to interrupt.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
We have
it. Now getting a good tornado.